Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to use the Institute for Justice's Constitutional GPA research tool, which is part of IJ's project on immunity and accountability. This research tool is geared toward helping people whose rights have been violated overcome the hurdle of qualified immunity. Now, qualified immunity makes it so that if a government officer violates your rights, you generally cannot sue that officer unless you point to an earlier case where the Supreme Court or the federal appellate court in your jurisdiction decided that the conduct you experienced is unconstitutional. That's where this research tool comes in. We've combed through thousands of cases across all jurisdictions to find decisions identifying unconstitutional conduct. And now you can see which of those cases are relevant to your situation. So here on the Constitutional GPA webpage, we have this map showing circuit grades, state grades, and a combined constitutional GPA for each state or territory. Now, regardless of which tab you've selected for the map, you can click on a state and that will take you to a page containing a profile of that state's GPA and the research tool. So let's say that you were driving in Ohio when you were pulled over and searched without any justification. Let's click Ohio, and that will take us to a page with a profile of Ohio's constitutional GPA, a link to a detailed view of the state grade, and if we scroll down a little, the research tool. Now, because we've clicked Ohio, the research tool is specific to the 6th Circuit, which includes Ohio, Michigan, Kentucky, and Tennessee. No matter what state you click, the research tool will be customized to the federal jurisdiction that applies to that state. Now we select from the left column the kind of right that fits your situation. So here we'll click Search, Seizure, or Arrest. Once we do that, more options will appear in this middle column. Select any number of the descriptions that match your case. If we have even more detailed options, those will appear in the right column. Sometimes there won't be anything to select in this column, but if there is, select whichever ones match your situation and click Show Cases. A list of case citations and accompanying quotes will appear below. These cases come from the Supreme Court and the Federal Circuit covering the state you've selected. So here, the results come from the U.S. Supreme Court and the 6th Circuit because those are the kinds of cases that can clearly establish rights in Ohio. This way you'll get an idea of whether the rights you're concerned about have been clearly established, which is what you need to overcome qualified immunity. Now, maybe your situation falls under another broad category of rights. Just select a different broad category, choose the more detailed descriptions that match your situation, and find cases that could be relevant. And you should know that this tool concerns claims that you may have under federal law, but you might also have claims under state law. And to learn more about your state law options, click the state law link in the GPA profile. That will take you to a page about state claims and immunities. Now, if you want to use the research tool for a different circuit, go to the map in the upper right corner and click a state from another circuit. So if I click on Colorado, it'll take me to that state's GPA profile and the research tool specific to the 10th Circuit, which also includes Wyoming, Utah, New Mexico, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Now, a final note that this research tool won't necessarily give you every single case that might help you overcome qualified immunity. There might be other relevant cases out there that we have not included on this site, but this tool is a simple and easy way to find useful cases, aid your research, and see how your jurisdiction compares to others. So check it out and see how enforceable your rights are wherever you are across the country.